Welcome students. We will see basic concepts in geometry. So first one is there, what is meant by point, or we will see definition of pointer. Point means only existence. Point means what? It is geometrical figure. Geometrical figure. Point means it is a geometrical figure which has no length, breadth or height. It is only existence. It is only existence. What I wrote, do you understand? Point is only existence which has no length, breadth or height. These points are denoted by, always points are denoted by capital letters. Example. This is only existence, we can name it by A. This is existence, we can denote it by B. This is only existence, we can denote it by C. So point A, B, C, D, E, whatever may be there, it is depend upon you that which name are you going to give. So A, B, C are the points. Then afterwards we are going to study about line. What is meant by line? Because basic concepts of geometry. Line is what that we will see. When number of points are coming together, uncountable, means line is geometrical figure made up of infinite points and extends to both directions at infinity. Means here line L. Okay, there is arrow mark. There is arrow to both ends, to both sides, or I will write ends. Actually line has no end, to both ends. Line is denoted by any letter, or it is denoted with two letters. Example we will take here. Suppose this is line L, and suppose here if I wrote like this, here A and B, this is called line AB. This is line AB. So one more time I am going to tell you that what is meant by line. Line is a geometrical figure which has no end. It extends infinitely. It extends at infinity. No end at all. It is made from number of small points. You can't count number of points in a line. Now there is a third concept of this lesson is that what is meant by plane. We have to see here how many points are required to form the plane. Plane, it is geometrical figure made up of three three non-collinear points, three non-collinear points, plane extends in all directions infinitely. Means what that we will see. Suppose here are 3 points. These 3 points are non-collinear points. Non-collinear point means no 2 points. 3 points should not come in one line, or no, actually 2 points are always collinear, but no 3 points should come in one line. So here A, here it is B, and here it is C. Then this AB, BC and AC, when joined, then you got the figure that is called a planar. Then these can be extended to every direction. Means how many sides are there in a plane? Are there only 3 sides? No, there are number of sides. You may draw a diagram of plane with 4 sides, and then this plane extends in every direction. E is a plane. Here this is D is a plane. This plane extends in every direction. Any problem? If you have, you may ask me, you may go back and you may see what is the main concept behind this all. Now we are going to study about betweenness. Suppose there are 3 points. I am going to write betweenness, but before of it, I think we should have to know about coordinates and points. This is main concept of this lesson. So what is meant by coordinate? What is meant by points? That we will see with example of. We will take number of examples. Here I have drawn one line L. L contains, here it is O. O is a point. It indicates 0. Here it is A. Here it is B. Here it is C. Here it is D. Here it is E. Then here -1, -2. Here 1, 2 and 3. Means letters on number line associated with numbers are called points. Therefore A, B, C, D and E are called points. Now here A indicates or O indicates 0. A, B, C. Every number denotes number. A denotes 1, B denotes 2, C denotes 3. Understand? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. These all together called coordinates. These are called coordinates. What is the definition of coordinate? Definition of coordinate means that number associated with the letter on number line is called coordinator. Now here examples are mentioned. 0 is the coordinate of point O, 1 is the coordinate of point A, 2 is the coordinate of point B, -2 is the coordinate of E, -1 is the coordinate of -1 is the coordinate of D. Thus now here, if we understood this fact, then we will see betweenness. Here when two numbers are given and if that two numbers are distinct numbers, there are two numbers, the two numbers are distinct number, means they have a distance. Suppose here is one number taken A and here it is one number taken B. Means these are at a certain distance. Therefore, distance AB means it has number of points between them. Now here then, suppose here C is one pointer. C is one point. Here distance AB is always positive. A real number. Its distance is never negative. You are knowing that. However, our age is never negative. Thoughts can negative, but age never negative. Height is never negative. So, similar way here, distance between 2 points is, means if they are distinct, if A and B are distinct points, means these 2 points have distance. These 2 points are different. Then distance between them is always positive real number. Now between them C lies between point A and point B. Then what will happen? We can write it. We can write this A dash C dash B. This is called a betweenness. Means it is read as A between C between B. Therefore then, when there is relation of betweenness, if these points are distinct. If these points are A, C and B are distinct points, then they have a relation of betweenness. And it is written that A between C between B. If these 3 points have betweenness, then distance of AC plus distance of BC is equal to distance of AB. Understand what I told? Distance of AC plus distance of this BC is equal to distance of AB. So when 3 points are collinear, and if they have a sum of smaller distances is equal to the greater distance, then there is a betweenness. Related to this, there is one exercise 1.1. We will enter into the exercise 1.1. Now I am going to erase this. I want to remind you that one thing. Practice set 1.1 now. Just I told you that if you have not subscribed to this channel, Ashok's English Medium Academy channel, you should subscribe this channel. You should share your likes. You should write your comments to improve the quality of teaching as well as video quality also. So we are going to look. We are entering into the exercise 1.1. In this practice set 1.1, I have drawn one nice line here. In this line, here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the left hand side also there are -1, -2, -3, -4, minus 5, and these on this number line, here it is 0, this is A, B, C, D, E, and to this side this is Q, this is P, this is J, H is to minus 1, J is to minus 2, K is to minus 4, P related to minus 4, oh something is going wrong, H minus 1, J minus 2, then K minus 3, this is K minus 3, P means minus 4, P means minus 4, Q means minus 5. And here asked to you, how will you find distance between VE? Second one is there distance between JA. Third one is there distance of PC. There are totally 8 questions. I am taking 8th one also here. This is very simple, so no need to solve all questions here. If you understand concept, you can solve this each and everything. So now we will see, once again I am going to explain you that there is one line, and on this line there are positive 6 numbers are given to right hand side, negative 5 numbers are given to left hand side, and these positive negative numbers including 0 are denoted by different letters, means number of points are denoted here. Now you have to find the distance of BE. So distance of BE, we will find distance of BE. Coordinate of B, 3 lines are denoted, 3 lines are drawn, then that is coordinate. So B, distance, we have to find, here it is B and here it is E. So how will you find that? I will tell you, coordinate of B is equal to 2 and coordinate of E is equal to 5. Then we want to find distance between them, means these 2 points are distinct points, and to find the distance we will use one formula. Distance of AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate smaller coordinator. Smaller co-ordinate. Okay. Now what is greater coordinate? Greater coordinate is here 5. Smaller coordinate is minus, here it is 2. Middle minus sign. 5 minus 2, it is 3. So what is the answer? Distance AB is equal to 3 units. Distance AB is equal to 3 units. You may write here units. So it is very simple one. Now we will find next question. JA. What is distance of? Second question is JA. Okay. Now you can also solve. You should have to, if you have notebook, if you have textbook, please you may also continue yourself. Wherever you will get difficulty, you can tell me here. Now here it is JA, and writing here JA. Here instead of B, we have to change here now. What is the coordinate of J? Coordinate of J is minus 2 given. Coordinate of J is minus 2 given. This minus 2 is the coordinate of J because it is associated with J. And JA, A is there. So we will take about A related to 1. So here it is 1. Now who is greater? 1 is greater or minus 2 is greater? You should decide who is greater. Minus 2 greater or 1 greater. Those numbers are to the right hand side. Then these numbers are always greater. So minus 1. Here minus 2 and 1. So 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, here greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. We will write here who is greater coordinate? 1. and here minus in bracket minus 2. Now distance of JA is equal to 1. Here out of bracket minus sign, in bracket minus sign, it becomes plus, and thus it is becoming distance of JA is equal to 3 units. 3 units. JA is equal to 3 units. Understand? Now we will solve next question. What is the next question? That we will check it. Third number is given distance of PC. Distance of PC is equal to question mark. What is coordinate of P? Yes, who can tell? Coordinate of P is given minus 4. Coordinate of C, what is C? Coordinate of C is given 3. Then who is greater? Minus 4 greater or 3 greater? Simple thing, positive numbers are always greater. Therefore, 3 is greater. Or right hand sides are greater than left hand side. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So distance of PC is equal to, what is greater coordinate? Greater coordinate is 3 minus in bracket minus 4. Now here it is 3 minus becoming plus 4. So 7 is the distance of PC is equal to 7 units. Don't forget to write units. That is most important thing. We must have discipline while solving it. These all, because sometimes if you do not write units, then centimeter, etc. units are mentioned. If you do not write, then examiner can cut your half mark. So we are to get the marks. We are not there to lose our marks. Next question. Which was this one? This was PC, means it was third one. Now we are going to study about question number 8 directly, because middle everything is same. So I know that you have ability to solve it yourself and you will solve it. So I am not going to take all questions here. I think as per my knowledge, not necessary, very simple. So to complete it, we will take now 8th question. You should have to find distance of QB. What is Q? Q is equal to minus Q given 2. Then 2 is greater than minus 5. Therefore here QB, distance of QB, here also writing QB, here also I will write QB. Now greater coordinate is 2, here minus in bracket minus 5, then 2 plus 5 you will get 7 units up. By this way, here question number 1, I will stop here question number 1. You don't stop to watch the videos. You should subscribe the channel, tell to your all friends, send the link of this channel, and even to you are free to tell to your all relatives, those who are studying in standard 9. We are providing videos for standard 8, 9, 10. So you should tell to your all friends who are studying 8 to 10 and let them take the benefit of our all videos. Now we will enter into the question number 2. Your likes are most important thing. Your comments are very useful to me to improve the quality of video, to improve my teaching system. So I hope that you will not forget to subscribe the channel. You will not forget to write your comments. Question number 2 is that, what is given that if the coordinate of A is x, coordinate of A is equal to x. Coordinate of B is y. Coordinate of B coordinate of B is equal to y, and you should find distance AB. You should find distance AB. Here are also 6 questions. I will take 3 questions here, which I am going to take. That I am going to tell you here. X is equal to 1 given, y is equal to 7. Then second question is here given. X is equal to 6, y is equal to -2, and sixth question or both fifth one taking here, because that is different one. X is equal to -3 and y is equal to -6 given. We will solve these 3 questions. From it you can understand what to do and what should not. It is like previous one. You want to find distance AB. Distance AB. Distance AB is equal to question mark. Coordinate of A is equal to x related 1. Coordinate of B is equal to y is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. Now, who is greater, that you should decide. 7 and 1. Here 7 is greater. 7 is greater. Therefore, we will take distance of AB. Distance of AB is equal to greater coordinate. Greater coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Smaller coordinate. We will find here what is greater coordinate. Greater coordinate is 7 minus 1, 6 units. What is the answer? 6 units is the answer. Similar way, in case of the second, A is equal to x is equal to 6, y is already given, B is equal to y is equal to -2. Then here 6 and -2, between these two, positive number is greater, 6 is greater. So distance of AB is equal to, directly you may write what, x minus y. You can write x minus y. That is also better. Here I have not wrote, but you are allowed to write it. One step can increase. Here now in short I am writing greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. That means who is greater? A is greater, means x minus y. So x means 6. Here minus in bracket -2. So 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What will you get? You will get 8. 8 units. 8 units. Please check it. Is it easy or not? Here once I am taking x is equal to -3. Fifth question, it is congested there. So to avoid congestion, I am going to take here y is equal to -6. And now here I am writing this one more time. 6 out of bracket minus, in bracket minus, so it becomes +2. It is 6 plus 2, 8 units. Distance of AB is equal to 8 units. Don't forget to write therefore sign. You are not allowed to write like this, but here to save my time, to take it fast, I am using the shortcut, but you don't use, because discipline is most important thing. Marks are your marks, whatever marks are given by your teacher is mostly depend upon your representation also. So nice representation, good impression will give you good marks. Now here A related to x related to -3. Now B is equal to y, coordinate of y is -6 given, both are negative signs. Now here there is a question that who is greater and who is smaller. So on number line what happens, that I will tell you here. I will draw here number line, and with the number line I will tell you how it becomes who is greater. That you can decide. Here it's 0, then here -1, here -2, here -3, -4, here -5, and here suppose -6. Now -3 is to right hand side of the 6. -3 is the right hand side of -6. So -3 is greater. -3 is greater than -6. It means that if both are negative signs, if both numbers, both coordinates have negative sign, then number which is smaller with negative sign, number in case of two numbers or more numbers having negative sign, then number which is smaller is always greater. So minus 3 is greater. It means that x is greater than y. Then you want to find distance AB, I will use this only here because already here it is written. So we will find here, we will use that. Now x means what is that? Minus 3, and here minus in bracket minus 6. So minus 3 plus 6, you will get 3 units of distance AB. So it was simple. I hope that you are understanding the concepts, you are able to solve it. Now we will enter into the next question, that is question number 3. Geometry is really very simple than the algebra. If you practice, really I am telling, as per my experience, even in my school life, I got more marks in geometry than algebra. Geometry is really simple, it needs only practice. So question number 3, what is given? Please read. If you have a textbook, open your textbook and attend on it. And here it is asked whether points are collinear or not. Means information is given, if the points are not collinear, state so. I am writing in short, if the points are not collinear, state so. Means you should mention why points are not collinear. Now number 1, question number 1, distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, and distance QR is equal to 3. Once again reading, distance PR is equal to 7, PQ is equal to 10, and distance QR is equal to 3 given to you. Here, how should we decide whether these 3 points are, means P, Q and R, these 3 points are collinear or not? How can we come to know? There is a simple thing that I will tell you. If sum of two smaller distances is equal to greater distance, if sum of two smaller distances is equal to the greater distance, then that 3 points are collinear, otherwise not. So which are the smaller distances? Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3, it is 10. Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 10 units. This is equation number 1. Now which is the greater number? Which is the greater unit? Check it. Distance PQ is equal to 10. So what do we understand from 1 and 2? Let us check from 1 and 2. We can write that distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PQ. Therefore, P, Q and R are collinear. This is the answer. Okay? Understand? What is done? Distance PR smaller distance, distance QR smaller distance than PQ. So sum of two smaller distances PR plus QR is equal to 10. Larger distance is given here 10 units and both are equal. Sum of two smaller distances is equal to the greater distance, and that's why PQ and R are collinear. Similar way, now here are also 6 questions. We will take alternate question, so that because it is also simple, that's why I will enter into the question number 3. And second, whatever questions I am not taking here, you should have to solve as the homework. because in online education there is need that you should have to do practice in house also. So please, you should solve these all questions once again with the questions which I have not solved here. Now distance AB is equal to 16 given. Distance CA is equal to 9 and BC, distance BC is equal to 7. BC is equal to 7. Which are the two smaller distances? Take first. Distance CA plus distance BC is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 units. This is equation number 1. I am not making laziness, I am writing this all here. You should also write. This is number 1. And distance AB is equal to 16 number 2. What do you understand from 1 and 2? From 1 and 2, distance CA plus distance BC, distance BC is equal to distance AB. Both are equal. 16 is equal to 16. Therefore, these points are collinear. Underline the answer. Your answer will complete. Now we will take one more, that is this question number 6. Shall I erase this? Question number 6. Distance of DE is given 5. Distance of EF is equal to 8 given, and distance of DF is equal to 6 given. Distance of DF is equal to 6 given. Here giving chance to you to solve this. I will check it whether what will you write, that I want to check it. So you should solve here distance of DE plus distance of DF, because these are the two. 5 plus 6, you will get here 11 units. And what is there? Distance of EF is equal to 8. This is number 1 and this is number 2. From 1 and 2, you should think, because up till I have told you that sum of two smaller distances, if equal to greater distance, then that points are collinear. Whether these points are collinear or not, that you should think for 1 minute. I am giving to you to think it, and if not, then I will tell you what is its answer. Please be quick. Yes, what is your decision? Let me tell. Look here, distance of, I am writing from 1 and 2, DE plus distance of DF. Is it equal? Not equal to distance of EF. Not equal to distance of EF. Therefore, these points are not collinear. It becomes more, so not collinear. If it is less, means it must be equal. If sum of, means what is the fact you understood from here, that I will tell you here, points are collinear or not. What condition decides whether points are collinear or not? Sum of conclusion conclusion from question number 3. From question number 3 is that sum of two smaller distances is equal to greater distance then given points are collinear. Understand? What is conclusion? Sum of two smaller distances is equal to greater distance, then given points are collinear. That is the conclusion about betweenness. Now we will go in question number 4. Once again reminding you that don't forget to subscribe channel. Don't forget to tell your friends. You should tell to your friends to subscribe the channel. You should write your comments to improve our education quality. Now question number 4. We will see what is question number 4. Question number 4. This is very big exercise, but we can complete it. On number line, distance A, B and C are such that AC is equal to distance AC is equal to 10. Distance CB is equal to 8, and you should find distance AB considering all possibilities. Okay, all possibilities means there are two possibilities are possible. Now here we will see, suppose AC means I took here A, I took here C, and from C to B, here it is B. Means it becomes 8, this becomes 10. So what will be the distance of AB? So distance, one possibility, if A between C between B, then distance of AB is equal to distance of AC plus distance of BC or CB. You may write CB, no matter. Therefore, AC means 10, CB means 8, so 18 units is one answer. This is one possibility. So distance between AB when C lies between A and C. Diagram, we should draw diagram so it is easy to understand. Now we will see another condition. What can happen? Here same thing, I will change only here. Now C, here it is B and here it is 8. Then this is 10, AB is given 10, CB is given 8, and what is asked? Distance of AB. Distance of AB is already, it is going wrong. We have to take here B, we have to take here B, we have to take here C, CB, or here A. Then here it is AC means 10. Erasing this and drawing again. You want to find distance between AB. AC is given to AC. This is 10, and CB is given 8. So then AB just we have calculated. AC plus BC means 18 we have got. Can we find again? If suppose here A to C is given, means we should have to take by different way. How can we take? Please see. Little bit there is need to think. Suppose first here taken B, here it is taken C, and here it is taken AC, then what will happen? This CB is given 8. CB is given 8. This is A to B. This is AC is given 10. And you should have to find distance of AB. Is it possible or not? That you should check, because what can happen if B between C between A, B between C between A, then what is happening? This is a point of question. So distance of AB, same answer will come same only, no change in it. Distance of CB plus distance of AC, distance of AC means 8 plus 10, you will get same answer, 18 units. Means by overall all possibilities whenever considered, then our answer comes same. So two answers are mentioned here with you. You should have to check it. If you have not understood, then please come back and you can solve. But here there is another one possibility that we can get. And how can we get distance of AB is 2? Because 2 times means in first I have told you, and now also here in this case also our answer came same. Means 18 is one correct, but we are in need of distance between that two numbers is becoming 2 also. How is that becoming? That we have to find. So there is need to change the figure and find the another answer. So we will change it. We will change it. AC is 10 given. Here BC is given 8. What will be the AB? Means if A between B between C, A between B between C, now we will find distance of AB is equal to distance, you want distance of AB. So distance of AC take, distance of AC is equal to distance of AB plus distance of BC. You can write here reason. A between B between C already I wrote here, so no need to write that. Then AC is given here 10. AB is equal to, we don't know, but this BC is given 8. 8 will come to this side. Means distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8. Distance of AB is equal to 2 units. So what are the possibilities of distance AB? At last you may write here possibilities. Possible distances of AB are 18 or 2 units. 18 or 2 units. Okay, is it clear? Now we will enter in question number 5. So simple. Actually you can solve it by yourself also. It is given in verbal format. Word question is given. Question number 5. Question number 5. Point X, Y, Z are collinear such that here X, Y and Z are collinear mentioned, given to us. Distance XY is equal to 17. Distance YZ is equal to 8. And you should find distance XZ is equal to question mark. Distance XZ is equal to question mark. X, Y and Z, then you should find XZ. How can you find? Look here, X between Y between Z. X between Y between Z. Then XY is given 17 and YZ is given 8. And you should find xz. You should find xz. So distance of xz is equal to distance of xy plus distance of yz. Then 17 plus 8, xy is 17, yz is 8 given, means 25 units is the answer. Distance of xz was, what is that? Xz is equal to 25 units. That is the answer of question number 5. Now we will enter in question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following. Like that question is given here. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sketch proper figure. Sketch proper figure and write the answers. Write the answers. Here no technology is used, directly shooting instruction, and it is given to you because you should have to feel, your feeling should be that you are present in class. So for class feeling purpose, directly like a live teaching, I am going to conduct this class. I hope that you will tell to your all friends, to subscribe this channel, and maximum students will take benefit of this online education system or my YouTube channel. That is the main theme behind this. LAB is equal to question mark. A between B between C means correspondence between S is given. A between B between C. Here it is A, here it is B, and here it is C. Simple, however given, like that you should have to find. Right there AB. The AC is given to you 11. AC. Distance from A to C is given 11. BC is given 6.5. You should have to find AB. We can find. How? Now we will write here. Distance AC is equal to greater distance is equal to distance of AB plus distance of BC. A between, you should write here A between B between C. A between B between C. So what is distance AC is equal to 11 is equal to, you don't know distance AB plus distance BC. So this we should write here. What is distance BC? Distance BC is given 6.5. That 6.5 will come to left hand side from right. You will get here distance AB. Thus do subtraction and write the answer as dash units. So what will become? That many students are not knowing about this, how, what to do. So take 11.0, take here 6.5 and do subtraction. Here this is cancelled. It becomes how much? 10 will become. Now this becomes, instead of 0 we should have to take here 10, means 5 and 5 10. Here 4.5 will be the answer. So we should write here 4.5 units. Understand what I did? Any problem? Now next question of same kind. R, second question, if R between S between T, ST is given 3 point, length of ST is given 3.7, length of RS is given 2.5, RS is given 2.5, and length of RT is equal to question mark. Length of RT is equal to question mark. So draw diagram here. R between S between T. RS is given 2.5 and ST is given 3.7. You should find what is distance of RT is equal to question mark. So distance of RT is equal to, according to between S, distance of RT is equal to distance of RS plus distance of ST, R between S between T. R between S between T. What will you get? Check. RS is given 2.5, ST is given 3.7. Now do addition. If you don't know, simply come to this side. 7 plus 5, 12. Point, carry on 1 given. 3 into 5, 1, 6. Your answer is 6.2 units. If centimeter is mentioned, you should mention centimeter. Otherwise, write as it is as a units. One question, third number question is giving here as a homework, and going into the last question. In question number 7, what is told that we will check it. Read the last question, question number 7. And in question number 7, it is told that which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points. Here is one point A. Here is point B. Suppose here is point C. Then here 3 points are joined to each other. Which figure is formed? Planar. 3 non-collinear points forms planar. I hope that you will understand it all by proper way. You are understanding it, and your comments will come to improve my education quality, my system. I will improve myself. And please write your comments, subscribe channel, tell to your friends to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Ashoka's English Medium Academy. I hope that you will support to Ashoka's English Medium Academy.